Now class 6, today from Roots, the chapter, the story, the 3 questions. Now already I taught part 1. Now today part 2, the meaning. All of you ready with your copy, the meaning of the story. Now from page number 27, proclaimed, P-R-O-C-L-I-M-E-D, proclaimed. Proclaimed means announced publicly. A-N-N-O-U-C-E-D, announced. P-U-B-L-I-C-L-Y, publicly. Now, next, absorbed. Page 28. Look at 28 page, absorbed. A-B-S-O-R-B-E-D, absorbed. Dash, deeply interested. Deeply interested. I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T-E-D, interested. Now, next, idle pastime. I-D-L-E, idle, P-A-S-T, past, T-I-M-E, pastime, dash, activities that are done for enjoyment only. Activities that are done for enjoyment only. Next, feebly, F-E-E-B-L-Y, feebly, dash, lacking strength, lacking strength. Next, attending to, that is, attending to, give a hyphen, providing help, providing help. Next, ambush, page 31 you will get, A-M-B-U-S-H, ambush, give a dash, an attack on someone, an attack on someone from a hidden position. An attack on someone from a hidden position. Now, let me repeat all the meaning again. Now, number 1, page 27, proclaimed, P-R-O-C-L-A-I-M-E-D, dash, announced publicly. Announced publicly. Next, absorbed, meaning is deeply interested, deeply interested. Now, next, ideal pastime, dash, activities that are done for enjoyment only, activities that are done for enjoyment only. Feebly, dash, lacking strength, feebly, lacking strength. S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H, strength. Next, attending to, A-T-T-E-N-D-I-N-G, attending to, dash, providing help, providing help. Next, page number 31, ambush, A-M-B-U-S-H, ambush, give a dash, an attack on. Within bracket you may write someone, an attack on someone from a hidden position, from a hidden position. Now these are the meaning, these are all, if you go through it, that is enough. Now next I want to tell you the moral of the story. The moral of the story. Write the moral of the story, the 3 questions, and here the writer is Tolstoy. I told you, the famous Russian writer, and he won Nobel Prize by writing War and Peace, by writing the novel War and Peace. Now, the moral of the story is to live in the present moment. The moral of the story is to live in the present moment rather than, present moment then a comma, rather than grumbling, G-R-U-M-B-L-I-N-G, grumbling about the past, grumbling about the past, and being anxious, A-N-X-I-O-U-S, and being anxious about tomorrow, full stop. We ought to consider every person we meet in the moment as significant beings, whether it is a poor or a rich man. The meaning of this sentence is always we have to consider every person whom we are meeting at the present moment is a very important person. Whether that person is a rich person or that person is a poor person. Now let me repeat this again. Again, the moral of the story. The moral of the story, that is the three questions written by the famous Russian writer Tolstoy, is to live in the present moment, comma, rather than grumbling, grumbling, grumbling about the past and being anxious, anxious, anxious about tomorrow. About tomorrow. Full stop. We ought to consider, OUGHT, we ought to consider every person we meet in the moment as significant beings, whether it is a poor or a rich man. Whether it is a poor or a rich man. Now, question answer. Write few questions. Question number 1. What were the three questions the king wanted to know? So, question number 1, all of you write. What were the three questions the king wanted to know? Right. Number 1. The right time to begin something. 2. Who are the most necessary people? 3. Most important thing to do. So, what were the three questions the king wanted to know? Number 1, the right time to begin something. 2, who are the most necessary people? 3, most important thing to do. Now, this is number 1 question. Number 2. Number 2 is, where did the hermit live? Where did the hermit live? Question, write all of you. The hermit used to live in the woods. Within the woods he had a hut. He used to live within that hut. Right. All of you write. Where did the hermit live? The hermit lived in a wood. Full stop. Within the wood he had a hut. Full stop. The hermit used to live within that hut. Now, that is up till I have several questions, but that question I will give you next day. So today up till this, okay? Again I am repeating the meaning, word meaning. Then next day you go through it. Proclaimed, Proclaimed, proclaimed. Dash, announced publicly. Next, absorbed, deeply interested. Third, idle pastimes, activities that are done for enjoyment only. Feebly, lacking strength. Next, attending to, providing help. Ambush, an attack on someone from a hidden position. These are the meaning. Again, the moral of the story I am telling you. The moral of the story is to live in the present moment, comma, rather than grumbling about the past and being anxious about tomorrow. Full stop. We ought to consider every person we meet in the moment as significant beings, whether it is a poor or a rich man. Okay, my students, today up till this, next day, the last part, that is part 3, the remaining 2 or 3 questions, that is the end of the chapter. Okay, thank you very much. Go thoroughly what I have done today. See you in my next class. Okay, all the best.